back to my YouTube channel, Learn Analytics with Mohit, or Knowledge Hub in Analytics. Today I'm back with another SQL video on LeetCode problems and LeetCode questions and solutions. Today we are going to solve three medium level of SQL difficulties question, that is Exchange Seeds 626, Customers Who Bought All Products 1045, and Product Series Analysis 3. These three problems we are going to solve, so let us just start. Before we move ahead, please subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. Thank you. Exchange Series. See what is the problem. Here we have a table called seat with ID and student column. ID is the primary key column for this table. Write a solution to swap the seat ID of every two consecutive students. If the number of students is odd, the ID of the last student is not swapped. Return the result of order by ID in ascending orders. In the input we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ID, student abroad, 2 Doris. So in the output we want 1 as Doris. So Doris 2 ID is changed to even ID is changed to odd. That is 1. And about odd ID is changed to 2 even. And James remains same because it is the last ID, and if the number of students is odd, the ID of the last student is not swapped. It remains same. We can write select in the output we need case 1 ID is equals to select max of ID from seat and ID modulo 2 equals to 1, then ID. When ID modulo 2 equals to 1, then ID plus 1, else ID minus 1, and as ID comma we have student. Now let me just solve this. Okay, I have not taken the from seat. Order by ID. Accepted. We got the right output. Now we will submit it. We have successfully solved this problem. Now let us move to the next problem, that is customers who bought all products. Here we have a table called customer with customer ID and product key. Customer ID is not null. Product key is a foreign key to product table. In the product table we have product key. Product doesn't report the customer IDs from the customer table that bought all the products in the product table. Now see how can we solve it. Select, we need customer ID, only customer ID in the output we need. Okay, so in the customer ID you can see customer 1 has bought 5 and 6 products, customer ID 2 has bought only 6, 3 has bought 5 and 6. In the output we want 1 and 3. Select customer ID from customer table, group by customer ID having count of distinct product key equal to select count of distinct product key from product table. Let us see whether we have successfully solved this problem. In the output we get product ID as customer ID as 1 and 3. We will submit this. So we have successfully solved this problem as well. Now the last problem is product sales analysis 3. Let us solve this problem. Here we have table called sales with column as sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. Sale ID, year is the primary key for this table. So we have sale ID comma year. Combination of this is a primary key. For product ID is a foreign key to product table. In the product, we have product ID is the primary key for this table and product name we have. Write a solution to select the product ID, to select the product for the first year of every product. So we must want to find what is the first year of every product sold. So we will select product ID comma minimum of year as first year from sales table group by product ID with A as. In the common table expression we have kept it. Now we have select product ID क्या रुक के we have select product. Sorry guys, there was some disturbance. We will select product ID. In the year we will also select year, quantity and price. From product ID from sales. This is B. Now what we are going to do is select, we will join on product ID and first year. Select product ID A dot product ID comma A dot first year quantity and price from A join B on A dot product ID equals to B dot product id and a dot year, a dot first year equals to b dot year. Now let us see what we get in the output. Accepted. So we got the correct output. Only first year of that product ID we want. Again, I'm going to submit this. So now we have successfully solved this problem as well. So that's all for today's video. In the medium level SQL difficulty, we solved extensive problem. We solved customer support all the products. We solved product sales analysis 3. In the next video, we are going to solve 3 easy level of difficulty actors and directors, product sales analysis 1 and project employees 1. Till date, happy learning, enjoy, all the best. And please like my video, subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ मंगल हो. थैंक यू.